Example 5. Find the derivative of f of x using the first principles at the point where x equals -1 for f of x equals x squared plus 3. Solution. The given function is a quadratic function. To find the derivative of f of x at a specific point x equals -1, we substitute -1 for x in. We can determine f of -1 plus h by substituting -1 plus h for x in the function f of x equals x squared plus 3. f of -1 plus h equals -1 plus h the whole square plus 3 equals 1 minus 2h plus h squared plus 3 equals 4 minus 2h plus h squared. f of -1 equals -1 squared plus 3 equals 4. Substituting the values obtained from 1 and 2 in the above expression, we get limit of -2h plus h squared over h as h tends to 0. Dividing the numerator and the denominator by h provided h does not equal 0, we get f dashed -1 equals limit of h minus 2 as h tends to 0. Therefore, f dashed -1 equals -2. We have thus determined the gradient of the tangent to the function f of x equals x squared plus 3 at the point -1 f of -1.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.